today I'm going fishing with my buddy Danny. Danny invited me to come out into his boat yesterday, and I thought, man, that's awesome. I don't know if we're going to catch any fish. We're going for flounder, but even if we don't catch any fish, it's going to be gorgeous. The weather has broke, the heat has broke, the coolness is back in the air. It's breezy, it's beautiful, it's comfortable. It's a perfect summertime day. And so today we are going fishing.
Told you.
Been falling for you, 'cause I've been falling for you knee deep. Been losing my mind, but you don't wanna see me. You're playing for time.
You getting bit? You get him too? Right there, boom. Is that bump, 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 but it's not. There we go. Got his ass that time. Got his ass that time. Yeah. Yes, sir. So far, anyway. It's coming up. Probably a dink and a half with this rod. It probably feels like a monster.
Wow, let's see what you got.
Flounder.
Oh, nice. That's Luca. That's number one, real fish.
No, that's number two.
Number two, but what was
The other one's a real fish too.
That's a real fish? Not really. That's not a real fish, though.
It is. Sea ramen. You got pliers? Woo!
That's a nice fish.
Me and Danny double hooked up.
It's not a skate, it's a nice food. Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice. Oh, you hold on. Oh, you. I got another dink. I got another dinker.
gonna measure you.
Yeah. Oh, bluefish.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, I got him
Bluefish. Here, just bring your rod towards me. Bring your rod towards me. Stop reeling, stop reeling. Bring your rod towards me, slowly.
Oh, yeah, bluefish for Mikey.
All right. All right.
We'll keep that's good eating.
Oh, you gonna keep him?
Yeah, back in the day, just keeping mine, baby.
Noticing your brand?
You're like, stop reeling, stop reeling. Hey, I need help, bro.
Yeah, nice. You're good.
Fish nugget.
Oh yeah. Still not a keeper, but it's the best fish of me so far. Yay! Yay!
It's hard holding on.
I'm still alive. Yeah. Oh, oh, he is so small. Nice. We keep doubling up.
Trouble.
Another flatty. A blackfish in season? Come on, man. Oh, I got him. I got him. What'd you say about blackfish are in or no? He's a little guy. Better be something on there too. Little sea robin.
Yeah, people like this story.
Now he's coming up, he's feeling smaller. Oh my God, it's a sea robin. On my Mikey's line. Mikey,